We've gone from 3 stores to 16,000 stores. We've got 26 supply chain centers in North America. We're probably making over 3 million pizzas a day. Saying that we're going to be number one in the world isn't just a mantra that we put on a piece of paper. Our mission was to basically transform the way we were working directly with our consumers, but ultimately adapting to how the world was changing around e-commerce and the digital experience.
The transition came from being a very operations-focused business to being a customer-focused business, and that required a shift in the actual data. Just like our drivers are quick to get the pizza out to folks, we need to be quick to react to the data signals that we get in. And so that's all about ingesting that data and turning it around and putting it into actionable channels as quick as possible.
As we blew up the number of ordering channels and platforms that we had, data was now upwards of millions of transactions a day. And so our challenge was to be able to process at scale and at speed, and then be able to turn that into something meaningful that helps move the brand forward.
It starts with just speed of delivery. It bleeds into speed that the website loads, and it transitions all the way to the back end at the speed at which we can actually populate, refresh data, and use that for relevant experiences for customers.
I think for Domino's to continue to be innovative, a lot of it has to do with what can we do at scale and at speed that enables all of our bright thinkers to be able to work at their absolute best. And platforms like Pure are ones that do that for us.